Here's the plan. Once I finish having my coffee, I'm gonna write out the Christmas cards, get ready, then we'll go to the post office. Okay? Send the cards, collect the photos. How's that? Had 2 sets made. And then come home, rest for a while, and then later about 2, we gotta go out again. That's why I'm thinking, because we got to go to town. I'm going to collect my visa. So I want to take the bus. Yeah, baby, you cannot go. So I'm just wondering, maybe the Christmas cards, I'll write them out today. I'll send them tomorrow. I don't have to go out twice. I just finished sweeping our rooms and my back is already aching. I must buy that orthopedic girdle, you know. I had one, but now of course it won't fit. I think that one, the size was XS. Now I will need a double XL. So yeah, I'll spend the morning writing out the cards. Not that many lah. To all of you. Then of course, Peter and Cynthia, God and Joan. Yeah, you gave me a scare. Then Janice, Nadia. Yeah, this year I'll write a card for Hillary as well. Never given Hillary a Christmas card because they always meet or call. This year is going to be first time I'm going to be sending out Christmas cards. First time, 48 years, I have never sent a Christmas card. Wait, when I was in India, did I send cards back home? No. We always talked on the phone. No, coffee cannot. Cannot. Huh? Cannot. The baby cannot drink coffee. Okay, let me have my coffee before it goes cold. Yeah lah, that's the plan lah. I hope Daddy remembers not to come and pick me up. What's the time? 8:40. Cannot be lah. What's the time? Yeah lah. 8:40. Is it? Hang on, let me check. 8:44. 8:44. I sent him a message while waiting for, that wrap was really nice. And it was soft. I enjoyed it. I sent Daddy a message then saying that I checked the time, 3 to 5 for visa collection. So can't go in the morning, they won't entertain you. But he didn't reply, but I know he's read the message. So the blue ticks. Okay, I stop. I have my coffee first. Okay, sit down next to her. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Okay lah. Some response is better than none.